Hello, I'm Lin Haochun, and my student ID is B119-01153. And today I'm going to talk about the solution to Proble Set Unit 4, number 7. First, the question tells us that we had two identical objects with the same initial speed, and it's collide with each other and stick together. And it also said that if the composite object moves with half the initial speed of either object, what was the angle between the initial velocities? So here we first draw the picture, and this too is the identical object, and we assume the initial speed is v0, and because the question tells us they are the same, so we both assume they are v0. And because the two objects are identical, so we said the mass is m, and we also said the angle of the initial speed is theta. And after they collide with each other, and the mass of the composite object should be 2m, and the speed will become v0 over 2. Okay, after this, we start to try to figure out the solution of this problem. So now I think in this question we can use the conservation of linear momentum to quickly solve this problem. And the conservation of linear momentum implies that the initial momentum before the collision and the momentum after the collision, they are the same. So we said P1 and P2 are the momentum of the two identical objects before the collision. And we said P is the momentum of the composite object after the collision. And we know that P1 is equals to m times V0, and here is a vector, and P2 is equals to m times V0, and P equals to m plus m, because this is a composite object, times V0 over 2 equals to m times V0. And according to the conservation of linear momentum, we can derive an equation that P1 plus P2 equals to P. So we can draw this picture. And because P1 the length of P1 and P2 and P are equivalents, so we know that the triangle which is enclosed by P1 and P2 and P is an equilateral triangle. So we know this theta. So we know the each angle in the triangle should be 60 degree, and we can further know that the theta is 180 degree minus 60 degree equals to 120 degree.